Hello. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a portfolio in Schoology. We're going to use our portfolios to submit all of our projects. Instead of handing them in, you will turn them in to Schoology. I'm also going to make a separate video on how to take a picture on your Chromebook so you can watch that. You need to have the picture taken first before you do this. But to make a portfolio, this is one of our little default pages. You're going to go to your name on the top right. It'll say your name. This says my name. Then you're going to click your profile. Let it load. It will bring you to this page. You're able to update your own photo, any of that other stuff. Talk about yourself a little bit if you want. But for this, we're going to go to the left side of the page and you're going to click on portfolios. So I have made a bunch of portfolios already. Most likely you don't have a portfolio made. You probably have a little pop-up that's saying that this is what your portfolio feature is. If you click OK, that is fine. But you're going to make a new portfolio. So we're going to click on this gray button that says New Portfolio. And it's going to load. So we're going to give this a title. You can call it Art. You can put the period. For this, I'll just put period 1. Do not have a period 1 art, so you should put your period. And then in this portfolio, if you would like a reminder, you're just going to put class projects and then classwork. And that's just as a little reminder for you. This is super important before you add anything to it. Right now, you just made this portfolio, you gave it a title. If you want, you can add a photo. That's not required. But you need to click this button. Right now, it's just a gray circle. You need to click it so it turns green. And that means it's published. So what published means is that I can see it. If your portfolio has that gray circle, it means when I look up your name, I cannot see if it's published and I cannot give you credit for your project. So we need to click that so it turns green. That's the only time you have to click it. And then from there, you can start adding things. So if you already have these photos taken, you could just go to portfolio items. And if you're going to add an image, you're going to just click File. The photo's already taken, so maybe I just go into Pictures, and I'll just add a color wheel. And that's just going to load right here. They'll load right after each other, and you should be able to see everything. And that's just how you make a portfolio in Schoology.